A utility knife is one of the most essential tools you can own. Compact, sharp, and ready for anything from cutting boxes to precise DIY tasks. Built for durability and comfort, today's models feature retractable blades, ergonomic grips, and versatile designs for both home and professional use. To help you find the perfect one, here are the best 5 utility knives that combine precision, safety, and strength in one handy tool. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Deli HT4007 Utility Knife. There's something oddly satisfying about holding a tool that combines simplicity, safety, and precision in one sleek design. This mini utility knife instantly grabs attention with its compact, colorful look, available in gray, orange, or green, and it feels more like a smart gadget than an ordinary cutter. Whether you're slicing open packages, trimming paper, or doing craft projects, it's designed to fit perfectly in your hand and pocket without adding bulk. Its small size makes it ideal for students, office workers, or anyone who loves keeping things neat and efficient. The sharp SK5 blade delivers crisp, clean cuts with little effort, gliding through cardboard, plastic, and paper with satisfying ease. The blade angle stays below 60 degrees, ensuring a balanced combination of sharpness and safety. But what really sets this knife apart is its auto-retract and self-locking system. The blade smoothly extends forward when in use and automatically rebounds after cutting. This feature gives peace of mind, especially if you're someone who tends to misplace tools or forgets to retract blades after use. It's not just functional, it's surprisingly fun to use. There's a satisfying click each time the blade locks in place, giving that tiny moment of tactile joy that makes even the most mundane tasks enjoyable. The front's self-locking design adds another layer of safety, ensuring the blade stays firmly in position while cutting. Perfect for school projects, home DIY tasks, or office setups. It fits anywhere, from your pencil case to your desk drawer, always ready for action. Its durable plastic shell feels sturdy without being heavy, striking that sweet spot between portability and reliability. The vibrant color choices also make it easy to spot among your supplies, so you're never scrambling to find it. Deli has really nailed the balance here. Practical design, ergonomic feel, and reliable safety all wrapped in a minimalist form. Pros: compact design, sharp blade, auto-retract, easy carry. Cons: limited grip, small size. Number 4. Ernu SK5 Utility Knife. There's a certain thrill in holding a tool built purely for power, precision, and endurance, and this heavy-duty art knife embodies exactly that. Crafted from thickened all-steel material, it gives off an industrial-grade confidence the moment you pick it up. Every detail feels intentional. The solid weight, the metallic texture, and the uncompromising sharpness of the SK5 blade. This isn't your everyday box cutter. It's a serious cutting instrument designed for professionals, artists, and builders who need performance that doesn't falter halfway through the job. The all-metal construction ensures exceptional stability and durability, delivering a cutting experience that feels smooth and controlled, even through tough materials like wallpaper, plastic, and electrical sheathing. The knife's precision-engineered design maintains perfect blade alignment, minimizing wobble or flex during heavy cuts. It slices cleanly through surfaces with remarkable ease, and the solid grip gives you confidence to handle more demanding projects without fatigue or slipping. Its versatility makes it suitable for everything from industrial tasks to creative work. Whether you're trimming edges, carving details, or cutting through thick layers, the SK5 steel blade delivers unmatched sharpness and reliability. The edge remains durable, even after extensive use, meaning fewer blade replacements and uninterrupted workflow. You can feel its power in every motion. It's firm, responsive, and incredibly efficient. Despite its heavy-duty build, it still feels well-balanced in the hand. The ergonomic shape allows for comfortable long-term use, while the metallic texture provides a professional aesthetic that's both rugged and sleek. It's the kind of knife that earns its place in your toolkit and becomes a trusted companion for years. The combination of craftsmanship and cutting strength makes it an excellent choice for those who demand more from their tools. In short, this knife stands as a symbol of reliability, tough, precise, and built to last. It's a perfect fusion of industrial power and artistic finesse, a tool that performs flawlessly whether in a workshop, studio, or on a construction site. Pros: heavy duty, precision, durability, sharpness. Cons: weight, no auto retract. Number 3. Woodpecker FD-7814 Utility Knife. There's an undeniable charm in a tool that fuses craftsmanship with pure performance. And this upgraded utility knife delivers that feeling effortlessly. Built with a sleek aluminum alloy body and a bold black SK2 blade, it exudes a professional edge from the very first glance. The blade itself is not just sharp, it's precise, strong, and reliable through every cut. Designed for both indoor and outdoor repairs, it transitions smoothly from light craftwork to heavier wallpaper trimming or packaging tasks without losing stability or sharpness. The 18mm blackened blade instantly stands out, not only for its striking appearance, but also for its remarkable cutting capability. Each blade features 8 sturdy sections, ensuring you always have a fresh, sharp edge ready to go with a simple snap. The black coating enhances corrosion resistance, keeping it in top condition even after extensive use. It's the kind of knife that inspires confidence, ready to handle projects that demand both finesse and power. What really makes this knife shine is its automatic locking mechanism. The blade stays firmly in place during use, eliminating that frustrating blade shake found in cheaper models. Every cut feels controlled and steady, whether you're working on detailed art projects or heavy wallpaper strips. The body, made of reinforced ABS material combined with steel, maintains the perfect balance between strength and comfort. It resists deformation even under pressure, ensuring long-term reliability. The ergonomic design deserves praise too. It feels natural in the hand, reducing fatigue during long sessions. The combination of aluminum and ABS gives it a lightweight yet durable build, ideal for professionals who use cutting tools daily. Whether in a studio, office, or workshop, it's a dependable partner that keeps performance consistent and effortless. Beyond its function, there's a refined sense of design here. Everything from the textured grip to the smooth locking slider has been thought out for precision and safety. It's practical, sturdy, and undeniably sleek, a perfect representation of what a modern art knife should be. Pros: sharp blade, stable lock, durable build, ergonomic grip. Cons: slight weight, single color. Number 2. Ernu SK5 Utility Knife. There's something deeply satisfying about a tool that feels both powerful and intelligent, and this utility knife truly delivers on that promise. Crafted with precision and strength, it's built around a SK5 black gold blade that cuts through materials with authority and elegance. The heat-treated and blackened finish doesn't just look stunning, it adds hardness and resilience, giving the blade that extra edge for heavy-duty use. Whether slicing cardboard, trimming leather, or cutting acrylic panels, every motion feels smooth and controlled, a reflection of its industrial-grade engineering. The zinc alloy handle gives it a remarkable heft that feels reassuring in the hand. It's not too heavy, but solid enough to inspire confidence even during the most demanding tasks. The grip is firm and comfortable, with an anti-slip design that keeps the knife steady no matter how long the job takes. You can sense the craftsmanship in every detail. It's rugged, refined, and clearly made to last. What really sets this model apart is its triple retractable system, a brilliant design that allows for 3 blade extension stages. It adapts perfectly to the material you're cutting, whether you need a shallow edge for delicate work or a longer reach for deeper cuts. The one-key quick change mechanism makes swapping blades a breeze, and the built-in rear compartment for storing extra blades shows that practicality was a top priority in its design. You always have spares ready to go, which saves time and keeps your workflow uninterrupted. Its cutting performance is genuinely impressive, crisp, powerful, and precise with every stroke. The 50-degree blade tip angle gives a perfect balance between sharpness and stability, allowing it to glide effortlessly through both soft and rigid materials. From creative studio projects to industrial applications, it's built to perform under pressure while maintaining consistent accuracy. This is more than just a cutting tool. It's an example of design meeting efficiency in perfect harmony. Every feature serves a purpose, and every detail feels meticulously engineered to enhance both safety and performance. Once you use it, Ordinary knives feel outdated. Pros: adjustable blade, sharp edge, quick change, durable grip. Cons: slightly heavy. Number 1, and the winner is Deli DL411 Utility Knife. There's a certain satisfaction in holding a tool that balances strength, precision, and comfort, and this heavy-duty utility knife captures that feeling perfectly. Built from durable zinc alloy, it immediately feels solid in the hand, exuding that professional-grade confidence you want from a reliable cutting instrument. The design is sleek yet tough, ready for anything from wallpaper trimming to cutting through leather, wood, plastic, or even thick carpet. Every detail has been crafted to make cutting smoother, faster, and safer, proving that functionality and design can coexist beautifully. At the heart of this knife lies its SK2 alloy steel blade, a material known for exceptional sharpness and durability. The blade slices through resistant materials with ease, maintaining clean lines and minimal effort. It's engineered for long-term performance, staying sharp far longer than standard utility blades. Whether you're working on home improvement projects or detailed creative tasks, it handles each challenge with remarkable stability and control. The retractable mechanism operates smoothly, allowing you to extend or retract the blade effortlessly. Each stage locks securely in place, so there's no wobbling or slippage mid-cut. The design prioritizes user safety and comfort. The zinc alloy body gives just the right amount of weight for balance, while the ergonomic contours ensure a secure, fatigue-free grip during extended use. It's the kind of knife that feels like an extension of your hand, turning even repetitive tasks into something satisfyingly efficient. Beyond its performance, there's a refined elegance in its simplicity. The smooth metallic finish, precise edges, and sturdy internal structure make it as visually appealing as it is practical. It's not just a utility knife, it's a dependable companion for artists, craftsmen, and DIY enthusiasts who value precision and endurance in their tools. Whether on a workbench, in an office, or part of a professional toolkit, it stands out for its blend of durability and finesse. Every cut feels deliberate, every motion controlled. This is a knife that doesn't just do the job, it elevates the entire experience of cutting. Pros: sharp blade, solid build, smooth retraction, ergonomic grip. Cons: slight weight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.